AI is no longer trapped behind a screen. It finally has a body.
In 2026, the era of physical AI has officially begun.
With breakthroughs in multimodal models, robots now learn by watching humans.
Transforming digital intelligence into physical action. The market is exploding, with a projected growth of 40% every single year.
This is the next trillion-dollar industry, and it's happening right now.
Students, the software-only era is over. The world needs creators who can build embodied AI.
Mastering robotics today means leading the revolution of tomorrow.
The future isn't coming. It's already here. Will you be the one to build it?
At Eskillveda Edtech Private Limited, we don't just teach technology. We prepare the next generation to lead it. From AI to quantum and humanoids.
We are building the architects of the future. Join the revolution with Eskillveda today.